Understanding Add Vanilla Extract, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking and baking recipes: add vanilla extract. If you're keen on enhancing your English vocabulary, especially in the context of cooking, this video is for you. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your culinary adventures. Add vanilla extract might seem straightforward, but let's break it down to understand each component better. The verb add is a key action in cooking, meaning to put something into a mixture. Vanilla refers to a flavor derived from orchids of the genus Vanilla, primarily from the Mexican species, flat-leaved vanilla. Extract, in this context, means a concentrated form of the vanilla flavor, usually in a liquid form. So, when a recipe instructs you to add vanilla extract, it's telling you to include a certain amount of this concentrated vanilla flavor into your recipe. Vanilla extract is a staple in baking and cooking because it adds a rich, aromatic flavor to dishes, enhancing the overall taste. It's particularly common in desserts like cakes, cookies, and ice cream. Understanding when and how to use vanilla extract can elevate your cooking, making your dishes more flavorful and complex. When a recipe instructs you to add vanilla extract, it usually specifies a certain amount, such as a teaspoon or tablespoon. It's important to measure this accurately to achieve the desired flavor balance. You'll typically add it to the wet ingredients like milk or eggs, ensuring it's evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Adding too much can overpower other flavors, while too little might not impart the intended aroma and taste. 1. Quality matters. Invest in a good quality vanilla extract for better flavor. Artificial vanillas can't compare to the depth of real extract. 2. Timing. Add vanilla extract early in the mixing process to ensure it's well incorporated. 3. Experiment. Don't be afraid to use vanilla extract in non-dessert dishes. It can add an interesting twist to some savory dishes. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, add vanilla extract, and how it's used in cooking and baking. Remember, the key to mastering cooking vocabulary is understanding the context in which these terms are used. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more useful English phrases and vocabulary.